Welcome to Easily Self-Publish on Amazon Kindle. I am honored that you joined me in this course. I am Lisa Fraze, a writing teacher and self-published author. I decided several years ago to forge my destiny and take control of my publishing journey. I've never looked back. In this course, you will discover how easy it is to put your book into the hands of readers. From writing, publishing, and marketing, publishing it yourself is the easy part of the process. As a writer, you already know that writing a quality book is hard work. You can publish your own book on Kindle, but your work doesn't stop there. You will have to put on your own magical marketing hat and learn how to self-promote your book. This is where the rubber meets the road, because self-publishing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Self-publishing is a writer-to-reader dream. And hopefully, if you do a good job writing and promoting your book, you will be rewarded in the form of royalties. I believe that the best way to predict the future is to create it. This course will cover the important things you need to know about Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon's platform for Kindle authors and publishers, including how to upload your book, price it, and market it. I will give you strategies for researching, writing, revising, and editing your book. In addition, I will show you how to design your own cover using Microsoft PowerPoint, and where to find book cover designers if you'd prefer to hire someone to do it for you. Plus, I'm going to share strategies for promoting and marketing your book. But that's not all. The best part of this course comes in the form of a pre-formatted Microsoft Word document that is a ready-to-go Kindle publishing template. No HTML required. Let's get started. See you in the next video.